You're standing in front of your framed wall and you're about to install your saveBOARD betterBRACE rigid air barrier. Step 1, print the manual, have a read through. It's not that big, not that complicated, and a lot of it is very similar to other products that we're using in the marketplace. Step 2, if you need to cut any sheet openings around windows, we would use a rail saw, a skill saw, similar to how you would cut plywood. Once you've cut, sand any rough edges. Using a normal primer, seal any edges. While the sheet's still on the ground, we will now mark out the fixing, and we'll use this table here. We're going to nail gun it, and we're going to use 50mm ring shank nails. Brace wall like this one, the nailing pattern would make sure any nails are flush. Adjust your gun if required. Between sheet joints we need to leave a 2 to 4mm gap. You can use a plastic packer, I like to use a nail. And we're ready to install the next sheet. After you've installed your betterBRACE onto your framing, you must cover it with a synthetic underlay within 7 days. We've chosen to use Thermocraft. Alternatively, you can use Marshall's Tecton or ProClimber wraps. Let's staple it onto the frame. We're going to staple it off at 300mm centers as per the manufacturer's specs. And then we're going to go through and cut our openings. Finding the corner first. So we'll fold our corners round. Now we're ready to flash the corners of the openings as per the Thermocraft installation guide. We'll cut a bunch of butterfly strips. Min 200, so we'll go there. Making sure your corners are extending each way by at least 200mm. I like to go slightly bigger to make sure you meet it. Fold these bad boys in half. So I got my butterfly strips and my 400mm pieces. Now we're ready to flash the opening as per standard. We would do top and bottom of all openings as you normally would for any synthetic wrap. Using 150mm wide minimum if you're on a 90mm frame. And our second butterfly strip on the tops. Look at that. Obviously you do the bottom of any sills, 200mm upstands. Once you've flashed that, you're now ready to install cavity battens. This is where you'd slow down and go through and mark all of your studs. You could even feel for the nail heads under the underlay and you would just go, oh, right stud. And you'd nail this through your bracing onto your studs as per manufacturer's specs. And as always, saveBOARD can go back to the factory to be turned into more saveBOARD. Thanks for watching this install guide. I hope it helps you on site.